Well, welcome. My name is Phil Colbridge here
Edgardo Ayala
with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. So as you can see, we're in a special, amazing listing here. Beautiful 303 Aldrup Way here in Lake Mary, Florida. Lots to offer here. It's just under 2,000 square feet, 4-2. So this is actually the fourth bedroom slash could be converted to an office. And then on the left here, we open up to a beautiful formal living room, lots of space, open atrium type feel. And then on the right side, we have the two other bedrooms that, as you can see in the photos there, are plenty of space. Lots to offer here. So bathroom as well, laundry is here as well. And then Edgardo will take you this way to the kitchen.
Hi, as you can see, beautiful wide open kitchen, white cabinets, brand new granite countertop just installed this past week. This dining room slash family entertainment center is actually really big. You can accommodate up to 16 people really easy during the holidays, during your family getting together.
Great entertaining house as well, yeah. Plenty of light overlooking the pool. We have the screen enclosure. We have two sheds in the back, but we have the master entire suite here to the right. And so you can see that in the photos. New granite countertops put in there as well. Very sharp, very modern. So you have to come see it in person. Again, beautiful Lake Mary, great price point to be in this exclusive area here in Seminole County. So come check it out, schedule your showing today. Again,
a lot to offer in this property. It's well located, a lot of community around the area. Neighborhood market, maybe less than a mile away. Really close to 417, really close for 419 as well. So well located in Central Florida. Come see it.
Come see it today. Phil Colbridge here.
Edgardo Ayala.
Here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We'll see you soon.